Today's lesson is about how to draw angles in standard position. As we know, we learned angles in geometry class. There are three parts for an angle. We have initial side, and we have vertex, and also we have terminal side. In pre-calc class, we have to study the angle greater than 360 or negative angles. We use coordinate plane to show the angle. We call this kind of angle is an angle in standard position. And the initial side will be the x-axis. Then your terminal side will locate on different quadrant. Could be the first quadrant or second quadrant or third or fourth. When we draw an angle in counterclockwise rotation, we call that the positive angles. But if it is clockwise rotation, that will be negative angles. For the positive angles, we can label as 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, and 270 degree, and 360 degree. For negative angles, we can label 0 degree, negative 90 degree, negative 180 degree, negative 270 degree, and negative 360 degree. And as we know, one rotation will be 360 degree. Here's a guided practice. We need to draw an angle with a given measurement in the standard position and find out two coterminal angles. Let's talk about coterminal angles. What's the meaning for two angles or more than two angles? They are coterminal angles. Co means same. Terminal means terminal side. So coterminal angles means they share the same terminal side. For all angles that share the same terminal side, we call they are coterminal angles. For coterminal angles, there's one very important property. That is, all coterminal angles have the same trig value. So we need to find out two coterminal angles for the given angle. One is positive coterminal angle and the other is negative coterminal angle. First of all, for number 1, and since the angle is between 0 to 360, we can find the angle directly. That is the terminal side located on the fourth quadrant, because this one is 270 degree. Here's a 360 degree. So here's the terminal side. Then I can draw the angle like this. From here, go here. Then you can label 345 degree. When you draw an angle in standard position, you need to figure out in which quadrant that the terminal side of the angle locates. Now we need to figure out the coterminal angles, positive coterminal angles. We know that one rotation is a 360. That's why the positive coterminal angles, we use 345 plus 360 degree. You will get 705 degree. For negative coterminal angles, we need to use 345 degree minus 360 degree. Then you will get negative 15 degree. Let's go to number 2, negative 610 degree. Since negative 610 degree is greater than negative 360 degree, so we cannot draw this angle directly. We need to add 360 first. You will get negative 250 degree. Then we can draw it. It's a negative 250. Here we have negative 180 degree, negative 270 degree. So we know the terminal side of negative 250 degree will be the second quadrant. And since we add 360 once, that's why we have one rotation. So from here, your x-axis will be initial side. So we draw, this is one rotation. Then go back here. That's negative 610 degree. And negative 250, it is also the negative coterminal angles. And how you get the positive coterminal angles? You need to keep at 360. Then you get 110. This will be your positive coterminal angles. Let me give you one more example, like 890 degree. So first of all, 890 degree is greater than 360. So you need to subtract 360 first. Then you will get 530 degree. Still greater than 360, so do one more, minus 360 degree again. You will get 170 degree. So we can draw that 170 degree here. That's on the second quadrant. Since I subtract 360 twice, that's why we draw like two rotation. So here's one. Then this is two. Then go back here. That's how you draw a 90 degree. You could see 530 is a positive coterminal angle. Or you can use 170, that's also the positive coterminal angles. If you want to get the negative coterminal angles, you need to subtract 360 again. You will get negative 190 degree. So this is your negative coterminal angles.